Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm at KKM Financial. Well, we're looking at VIX cash pushing down to the lowest level in over 3 years intraday here at 13.50, coming off those lows to trade a little bit higher on the session, right around 13.9 currently. But nonetheless, the VIX cash pushing down the lowest level since February 2020, with the SPX trying to hold 4,300 here as we close out the week. Realized volatility week over week. 10-day realized volatility moving lower to 11.5% week over week. However, 30-day realized volatility pretty much unchanged week over week, holding just above the 13% level. At the money straddle in the SPX, looking 30 days out, implied vol level of 10.5, so that's unchanged week over week. But once again, a very compressed level for the at-the-money options in the SPX, as the markets just aren't realizing that much volatility on a daily basis. Futures, VIX futures. Now, VIX expiration is a week and a half away. Next week, we do have regular expiration, a quarter expiration for the indices and the equities, but VIX expiration is a week and a half out, so post regular expiration this time. And with that, the roll market between June and July has narrowed by 10 cents today. Now, we are seeing the futures moving higher in the front 4 months. So a little bit of a bid there in the futures market as we move into expiration week for the other vehicles and instruments. But therefore the term structure is flattening slightly today, and that roll market is narrowing heading into next week. Activity in the VIX options, a lot of action in June. Certainly June puts from the 12 strike all the way up to the at-the-money strikes, very active. Then you move into the calls, June 15 through 26 lines trading very actively, highlighted by the June 20 calls trading 34,000 times. July, similar scenario with the July puts very active, and then the July calls trading very actively, highlighted by the July 23 calls, which are have traded 63,000 times today. Next week, several things could influence the vol structure. Certainly early in the week, CPI, PPI. Then the Fed announcement on Wednesday will certainly be an influence. And moving towards quadruple expiration later in the week, VIX expiration, post-regular expiration, and market momentum. Those could all influence the vol structure as we move into next week.